One. All right, outdoors moderator. As you can see, finally got a 10-inch 18-volt chainsaw. Here it is. I don't know if Home Depot got my man card or if this is going to make my life a lot easier. I did get some 18-volt 6-amp batteries. I'm hoping these are going to last a while. I got one battery fully charged, and I'm going to use this chainsaw to cut the limbs that cut me and stick me in the eye when I'm mowing the yard. I'm also going to cut some trees down. Stay tuned. I'll show you what one battery will do. By the way, it's hot as Hades out here. For this tree today, might get a little more next time I mow. Absolutely kill me when I'm mowing. Ta-ta-ta! Alright. Alright. Ryobi 18 volt chainsaw. 18 volt lithium ion battery. 6 ohm. This is about half of what I've cut down today off this one battery. No joking, no kidding. This battery's outlasted me. Still got one bar. It was not completely dead. Might have a few more cuts on it. But I am done. My battery's dead. We loaded this up. Like I said, there's at least one more trailer left to load up. And then I'll be ready to mow without stuff hitting me in the face and cutting me in the eye. See you later.